Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download Google Authenticator on your PC. First I want you to open up any browser and type this in, search this up, and open the first link. Okay, this is basically an Android emulator. And just come here, click on download, and install this on your PC. Now what this does, it basically emulates an Android. So it has a Play Store. You can open up the Play Store and just search for Google Authenticator. Okay, so you can see it's right here. I can click on this and even click here on install, and it would literally begin installing. And after it is done, you can just go ahead and open this up, okay, and set up Google Authenticator. As you can see, I have opened it up right here, okay. You can click on get started. And now as you can see, I have the option to add a code. Okay, you can either scan a QR code or enter the setup key. But that is how you guys can do this, and it's really that easy and simple.